Hi everyone. In this session we are going to discuss division algorithm for polynomial. If we have two polynomials b of x and g of x, then we can find another two polynomials such that q of x and r of x. The condition is that g of x should not be equal to 0. According to this division algorithm, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the division algorithm for polynomial. We already learned Euclid division lemma for real numbers, same as it is a equal to bq plus r, where it was the dividend and b was the divisor and q is quotient and r is the remainder. Here, in case of division algorithm for polynomial, instead of real numbers, there will be polynomials. P of x is the dividend, g of x is the divisor, q of x is the quotient, and r of x is the remainder. This is the division algorithm for polynomial. And if r of x is equal to 0, where the remainder becomes 0, then g of x and q of x become factors of p of x. Then g of x and q of x are factors of p of x. Okay, let's take an example. Exercise 2.3, question number 1, option number 1. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. Here I am going to take the question number 1, option number 1. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equal to x square. Here we have to find q of x and r of x, quotient and remainder. So for that we need to divide the given polynomial p of x by g of x. This is same as in case of dividing numbers. There are some differences. So let's take p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2, and g of x is x square minus 2. We need to proceed some steps. First, we have to divide the first term or the highest, the term with the highest power, okay, by the term with the highest power of g of x. That is x cube divided by x square. We will get a x. X square is cancelled and there will be 1x. Okay? Put this x as the first term of quotient x and multiply this x with the g of x. X into x square minus 2, which we will get a x into a square is x cube minus 2, x into minus 2 will be minus 2x. That is x cube minus 2x. X is, you have to write just below the term which consists of x. Changing the sign, this will be minus term will be plus. X cube minus x cube will be 0 and minus 3x square plus plus 5x plus 2x, that will be plus 7x minus 3. Again, this is the term with the highest power. We have to divide this term by the highest term with the highest power of g of x. That is, you have to divide this minus 3x square by x square. So minus 3x square divided by x square cancelled. You will get a question as result as 3 minus 3. So this term put as the second term for q of x, x minus 3. And multiply this minus 3 with g of x. We will get minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. Place it here, minus 3x square plus 6. Change the sign, this will be minus, sorry, plus, minus will be changed into plus, and plus will be minus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square will be 0, plus 7x, and minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. Minus 3 minus 6 equal to minus 7. So minus 9. So what is the question here? Q of x we will get as x minus 3 and r of x is 7x minus 9. Okay. So what we have to find actually here in this question, Q of x and r of x. So we need to remember the division algorithm to solve these types of questions. Next, exercise 2.3, question number 2, option number 1. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. There are two polynomials given, 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12, and the second polynomial is t square minus 3. So here we have to check whether the second polynomial is a factor of first one. For that, we just need to divide the first polynomial by second polynomial, and after division, if we get a remainder as 0, then it will be a factor. So proceed with the division, long division. This is the divisor, and dividend is 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the term with the highest power. So divide this by the first term of the dividend. Sorry, divisor. First term is the term with the highest power. Okay. Sometimes it will be given like this, minus 3 plus t square. Suppose is given like this. So you have to interchange it, or you have to write the polynomial in the decreasing order of power. So that you will get first term as the highest term with the highest power. Okay. So t cube, 2t raised to 4 divided by t square. Divided by t square. 2 is the, and t raised to 4 divided by t square will be t square. So first term, put this as the quotient, first term of quotient 2t square, and multiply with the dividend t square minus 3, you will get a 2 into t square into t square will be t raised to 4 minus 2 into 3, 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6 t square. Okay, write it here, 2t raised to 4 and minus 6 t square, just write below the term which consists of t square, minus 6 t square, divide, change the sign, this will be minus and this will be plus. 2t square minus 2t raised to 4 minus 2t raised to 4, 0, and plus 3t cube will be 3t cube minus 2t square plus 6t square, that will be plus 4t square, minus 2 and plus 6, that will be plus 4. T t square and the remaining term bracket minus 90 and minus 12. Again 3t cube is the term with the highest power. Divide this term by t square. So we get 3t cube divided by t square, which is equal to 3. T cube by t square will be t. So 3t. Again multiply this 3t by t square minus. Multiply it 3t into t cube t square minus 3. What you will get? 3t square, 3t into t square will be 3t cube minus 3t into 3 minus 3 will be minus 90. Put it here. 3t cube minus 90. Change the sign. This will be plus 0 plus 4t square minus t plus minus 90 plus 90 will be 0 minus 12. Now again here 4t square is the and here t square is the multiplied. So divide it 4t square by t square. We will get a 4. Okay. This is the last term for question and multiply this 4 by the divisor. 4 into t square is 4t square. 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12. Minus plus 4t square minus 4t square is 0 and 12 minus 12 plus 12. Okay, which is also 0. So here we got r of x as 0. Here we got r of x is equal to 0. Since r of x equal to 0, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Let's solve a previous year question. cbse 2020. Obtain other zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 5x plus 5 if two of its zeros are root of 5 and minus root of 5. Two zeros are given. We have to find the other two zeros. Here p of x is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 5x plus 5, and two zeros are given, root of 5 and minus root of 5. So this is, like, suppose consider as alpha and this is as beta. So we can write factors of this polynomial as x minus root of 5 and x minus minus of root of 5. We already discussed in the previous section. That is x minus root of 5 into x minus of minus 20 plus root of 5 is a factor. Is a factor of p of x. Okay. Then just multiply it. You will get x into x or a minus b into a plus b form. X square minus root of 5 whole square. That is equal to x square minus 5. So this polynomial will be a factor of the given polynomial. Clear? Now, this is suppose you are considering as g of x. This we are considering as g of x. If we divide p of x by this polynomial, we will get another polynomial as a quotient q of x. Primarity should be 0 because this is a vector. So, after getting a quotient polynomial, that will be a quadratic polynomial. If you divide this polynomial p of x, its degree is 4 and its degree is 2. So when we divide, we will get a quotient as a quadratic polynomial, that is a polynomial with a degree 2. Okay? After factorizing that polynomial, we will get other two zeros. Here we can divide x square minus 5. Okay? And the p of x is 2x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 5x plus 5. Now, divide this 2x raised to 4 by x square, what we will get? 2 will be there and x raised to 4 by x square will be x square. 2x square into x square will be 2x raised to 4 plus 2x square into x square, 2x square into minus 5 will be minus 10x square. X square is here, so place it here, minus 10x square. Subtract it, change the sign. 0 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 10x square will be minus x square. Clear? Minus 11 plus 10, it will be minus 1. Minus 1 x square plus 5x plus 5. Again here minus x cube. Divide minus x cube by x square, what will be to minus 1? Sorry, minus x. Minus x cube by x square, x cube divided by x square will be x and minus 1 will be there. Then minus x into minus x square will be minus x cube. Minus x into minus 5 will be plus 5x. 5 into x is 5x, minus into minus will be plus. Change the sign, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. 0 minus x square plus 5x minus 5x will be 0 plus 5. Again, minus x square is the minus x square divided by x square will be minus 1. Okay? X square will be minus x square divided by x square. Cancel, there will be minus 1. Then minus 1 into x square is minus x square and minus 1 into minus 5 will be plus 5. Change the sign, this will be negative, so plus, this will be negative. Minus x square plus x square is 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So, this will be the quotient p of x. Now, we just need to factorize. So, actually the given polynomial p of x is in this form x square minus 5 into 2x square minus x minus 1, because these are the two factors of this polynomial. Okay, this polynomial consists of two zeros, that is root 5 and minus root 5. This already we know. Then we need to factorize this polynomial. By splitting the middle term, we will get other two zeros. So take it 2x square minus x minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So we can split into minus x is there, that we can split as minus 2x plus x. 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. Clear? Minus 2x plus x is minus x. Minus 2x into plus x will be minus 2x square, which is the product of first and last term. Split it. 2x is common taking outside, 2x into x minus 1 plus x minus 1. X minus 1 is common taking outside, x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. These are the two factors. That implies x minus 1 equal to 0, and that implies that we will get as x equal to minus 1, take it here, it will be 1. Similarly, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 1, take it here, it will be minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 divided by. So these are the other two zeros, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. So here, this is the degree of polynomial with this is the polynomial with the degree 4. So there will be at most 4 zeros. These are the 2 zeros which given in the question, and these are the 2 zeros which will be obtained by solving the question. Exercise 2.3, question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So in this question, p of x is given as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and quotient is given as x minus 2 and remainder is given, that is r of x is given as minus 2x plus 4. What we need to find? G of x. G of x we have to find. So first write the argument. We have p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here we have to find g of x. Okay? Then we can write g of x into q of x is equal to p of x minus r of x. Okay, this we are keeping as it is, then r of x take it to right side, it will be minus. Okay. Then g of x is equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Q of x take it to right side, it will be divided by p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now, just substitute the values in this expression. What will we get? G of x is equal to, what is p of x? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, what is r of x? R of x is minus 2x plus 4 divided by, what is q of x? X minus 2. That is equal to x cube minus 3x square here plus x minus of minus 2x. Minus of minus 2x will be plus 2x. Plus 2x and x will be plus 3x. Then 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. Clear? Divided by x minus 2. Now we have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. We will get a g of x. So for that, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Divided. X cube by x will be x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 2 minus 2x square. Subtract it, change the sign, plus. Minus will be plus. 0 minus 3x square plus 2x square will be minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Again, minus x square by x will be minus x. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 2 will be plus 2x. Clear? Divide it. Minus will be plus. Plus will be minus. 0. 3x minus 2x will be x minus 2. X minus 2 by x minus 2. Directly we can write plus 1. Okay. Or you can directly x by x is 1. 1 into x is x. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Change the sign. 0 minus 2 plus 2 also 0. So this will be the g of x. So finally we can write g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is the required polynomial. Next, exercise 2.3, question number 5. Give examples of polynomial b of x, g of x, q of x, and r of x, which satisfy the division algorithm. And option number 1 is degree of p of x is equal to degree of r of x, sorry, degree of q of x. Here I am taking one example. That p of x is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 14. And we have to get it the degree of p of x is here. In this question is, sorry, in this example, 2. So degree of q of x also should be 2. Clear? So for that, we should divide this polynomial by a constant. Then only we will get it the same degree. For example, we can put g of x is equal to 2. If we divide by 2, what we will get? G of x as 2 by 2 x square is x square minus 2 by 2 minus 2x by 2 is minus 6 plus 14 by 2 is plus 7. Clear? This is simple logic. You can take any examples. This is, I think, given in the textbook. You can take any example. The condition is that degree of p of x should be equal to degree of q of x. Or you can take any two polynomial with the same degree and just divide it, you will get g of x. Okay. Then r of x will be here, it will be 0. This is the simple example which I taken. You can take any example. Okay. In the next session, we will discuss the optional exercise questions.